Hello student, today we are going to draw this simple isometric drawing as per given dimension. For any AutoCAD drawing, first we use limit command. We type limit command shortcut LIMIT enter, specify lower left corner by default 00, enter, specify upper right corner, we given a A4 size page, that means 297, 210, next enter. Next we use zoom command shortcut Z, enter. Zoom command, there are so many options, we use all option. For all option we type A, enter. Next we use unit command shortcut UN, enter. Drawing unit dialog box appears. Length type. For millimeter drawing we select decimal. For inch foot drawing we select engineering. Here we select decimal. Unit is millimeter. Okay, then okay. Now we draw this isometric drawing. Now we first go to 2D skin, 2D standard skin to isometric skin. For isometric drawing, we go to isometric skin. We type SAP command, SNAP SAP command shortcut SN, enter. Here so many options, we use style option. For style type S, enter. Now there are two options, standard and isometric. For isometric we type I, enter. Next specify vertical spacing, by default 10, we just type enter. Next we know in isometric drawing in AutoCAD there are three isometric plane: isoplane left, isoplane right, isoplane top. To this plane is isoplane right, this plane is isoplane top, this plane and this plane is isoplane left. To change different isometric plane we type Ctrl E simultaneously. Here now we isoplane top. Again we type simultaneously Ctrl E. Now we isoplane right. Again press Ctrl E. Then we isoplane left. We also use F5 functional key for change different isometric plane. F5. Now first we draw this isometric plane. This is isometric right plane. Now we press Ctrl E simultaneously. This is isoplane top. Again we type Ctrl E. Now here isoplane right. Now we on the ortho mode on, and we draw this isometric plane, isoplane right. Type L for line command. Specify first point. Specify next point. This is 60. Next point just type 60. Enter. Next, this is 60. This is Z 60. Enter. This is 30. This is X 30. Now cursor in down position. This is 30. Type 30. Next, cursor in this position. This is X 30. Next, cursor down position. Type 30. Next, enter. Next, enter. This is the isoplane right. Next, we draw this plane. This is the isoplane left. We change isometric plane. Ctrl E. Ctrl E. Here now we are isoplane left. Now type L command, line command. Type L shortcut of line command. Enter. Specify first point. Specify next point. This is Y. Next point 60. Now this is Z. This is 30. Now this is Y. This is 60. Next, enter. Okay. Now we draw this plane. This is isoplane top. Ctrl E. Change the isometric plane. This is isoplane top. Now we are isoplane top. Now L, enter. Use line command. Specify first point. This is X 30. Next, this is Y 60. Enter. Next, enter. Now we draw this plane. This plane is isoplane top. Now we are in the isoplane top. Type L. specify first point, specify next point 60, enter. Now next point 30, next point 60, next, enter. Okay. Now we can join this portion, this corner and this corner. Type L, specify first point, specify next point, enter. This drawing is complete. Now we given the dimension. For dimension, this dimension, this dimension, this dimension. For this dimension we use aligned dimension. Aligned dimension shortcut DAL, dimension aligned, enter. Specify first point, specify second extension line, specify dimension line location. Okay. Again we type DAL, dimension aligned, enter. Specify first point, specify second point, specify dimension line location. Right click for repeat command, repeat dimension aligned, specify first point, specify second point, specify dimension line location. Again right click, repeat command, dimension align, specify first point, specify second point, specify dimension line location. Just click here. Again right click, repeat dimension aligned, specify first point, specify second point, specify dimension line location. Now we correct the process of isometric dimensioning. In isometric dimension, this extension line also in 30 degree and this is vertical, this is vertical. We change this, we edit this line, this extension line also 30 degree, this extension line also 30 degree, this extension line also 30 degree. Now we edit this dimension. For dimension edit, shortcut, type shortcut command DED, enter. Now enter type of dimension editing. There are many options. We take oblique option. For oblique, type O, enter. Select object, enter. Enter obliquing angle. Obliquing angle may be plus 30 degree or minus 30 degree. Here we type plus 30 degree, 30, enter. This is the correct process of isometric dimensioning. Now again we change this dimension, again we correct this dimension. For repeat command, right click, dimension edit, enter type of dimension editing, type O for oblique, select object, enter, enter oblique wing angle, here we type 30, enter. Here 30 is wrong, it will be minus 30. So right click, dimension edit, enter type of dimension editing, oblique for oblique type O, select object, enter, enter oblique wing angle minus 30, enter. This is the correct dimension. Okay. Now we change this, right click, edit dimension, oblique, for oblique option type O, select object, enter, oblique wing angle here 30, this is the correct dimension. Now right click or type shortcut command, dimension edit, DED, enter, option oblique O, enter, select object, we at a time select this dimension and this dimension, select this and select this, enter, enter oblique wing angle, here it will be minus 30, enter. This is the correct process of dimension. Now we draw this drawing in another process. We erase this, erase this, erase this, erase this. First we draw isoplane right, this is this plane, this is the isoplane right. Now we copy this, copy CO, enter, we just select this, enter, specify base point, this is the base point, this is base point. Now orthon, now we just go to left side and specify second point, we type 60 degree, 60, we type 60, enter, again enter. Now just we join this corner, this corner, this corner, this corner, we type line command, for line command we type L, enter, specify first point, specify next point, enter, right click, repeat line command, specify first point, specify second point, right click, repeat command, right click, repeat command, specify first point, specify second point, enter, right click, repeat line command, specify first point, specify next point, enter, right click, repeat line command, specify first point, specify second point, enter. Now invisible portion, we erase this invisible portion, type erase command E, enter, select this line and select this line, enter. This is the another process. Okay, this is second process. Any process we can follow. Okay, thank you.